If Opera is throwing error 400 and a page refuses to load properly, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to troubleshoot it, step by step. We'll start by checking whether the issue is on the website side, and then we'll move into the browser fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick browser fix videos like this. First, open your browser and search for the platform or website on DownDetector. This is one of the easiest ways to see if there's a sudden spike in reports from other users. If you notice a big increase in complaints, that usually means the problem is not on your device at all. Instead, the website may be dealing with a server-side outage or another temporary issue. This part is important because if the issue is server-side, no amount of local troubleshooting is going to fully fix it. You can clear cache, reset settings, or restart your browser, but if the website itself is down, you simply have to wait for their engineering team to resolve the bug. So before you spend too much time changing things on your end, always check whether the service is actually having problems for everyone. Now, if DownDetector does not show a widespread outage, the next step is to clear the site's data in Opera. Go back to the broken web page and look at the far left side of the address bar. Click the padlock icon. This opens the site information menu where you can manage permissions and store data for that specific website. From there, click Site Settings, or in some versions you may see Cookies and Site Data. Once you are in the Site Settings area, find the option to Clear Data. This is a safe way to remove the oversized or corrupted cookie packets that may be causing the error for that one website. The best part is that this does not log you out of your other browser tabs or affect every website in your browser. It only clears the data for the problem domain. After clearing the data, refresh the page and try loading it again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix Opera error 400, especially if the issue was caused by damaged cookies, broken session data, or a bad stored website state. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is test the website in a private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time to open a new private browsing window. Then type the website URL into that private window and press Enter. This test is very useful because it helps you figure out whether the issue is being caused by your normal browser cache, saved cookies, or a conflicting extension. If the website loads perfectly in the private window, that is a strong sign that something in your regular browser profile is causing the problem. It could be a corrupted cache file, a bad cookie, or even an extension interfering with the page request. If that happens, you may want to clear your browser cache, disable extensions one by one, or continue troubleshooting your Opera profile. But if the page still fails in private mode too, that points back to the website itself or a deeper network issue. So to recap, first check DownDetector for a server outage, because if the site is down, you just need to wait. Then clear the site data from the padlock menu in Opera. And finally, test the page in a private window to see whether the problem is tied to your browser cache or an extension conflict. Those 3 steps solve a lot of Opera error 400 cases very quickly, and they are safe to try without breaking anything important in your browser. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.